Hello. Hello. Today we're gonna be playing Build a Boat for Treasure. And sorry that there is Polish language, but yeah, I'm from Poland, so it's in Polish. So yeah, today I'm going to tell you what, how to build the best, how to build the best boat it it's possible. So first, this will gonna be part one of the tutorial. So yeah, here I'm going to my saves, the world, load the world, and as you see, the base is from like the lowest layer is full blocks, and full blocks uh, they're just uh, pretty. They're hard to break. So, what does that mean? That means that the lowest layer needs to be very hard to break. I mean, if you can build something from only things which are really hard to break, then the lowest layer must be very hard to break. Because now look, I have both like that. It's like 2% finished. And I will now go. And let's see how how much I can swim. Because it has power like I think cool block is it's mm, wait, uh, mm, resilience its resilience level is I think 5. Uh, and this is just base. No, it's even unfinished base of this boat. That means that the base need to be from really hard blocks, hard to play blocks. You will see why. I mean, I will swim at least. I will die at least here. It takes this mad. The worst. Yeah. Help me. Yeah, they're actually very stupid. cinema is not. Oh, okay, no. Never mind. The worst thing ever. Oh no, no. Why cinema? If you don't have anything to see in cinema, you are in big trouble. Believe me or not, but it's true. You will be in shock. This is what can happen. Shoot. Come on. Oh. Yes. No. I hate this freaking cinema. Oh my god, why? Tell me, bro, why? Why? Yeah, this cinema, if you don't have anything to see it in cinema, you're dead. Basically, you're dead. You can survive, but it's not easy. Dude, why? What is that? Oh. Oh. What the? No, 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 no. What is this? Possibly loud screaming. Why? 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 Shoot! Okay. I didn't get into here. But okay. I get 80 gold. It's a lot. Like, right now I can buy more cool blocks. Okay, and now look. You want to see a resistance level. If you want to see it, select the block and press this. This anchor, this rotation. Maybe I will set this to 2. Okay. Yeah, 2 is the best. In most situations. Two. Okay, no. And it's so here it is resistance 5. This is a lot. Like a lot of things have not a lot of things have 5. Yeah, this is a lot. So the base, the lowest layer must be from something which resistance layer is 5 or more. Sorry, not resistance layer. Resistance level. Mm. So yeah. Even bow like that is so powerful. Uh, I'm I'm saying I'm sure even if you have base, only base, even if you have 2%, mm, mm, okay, even if you have that, uh, this is this is very bad. Believe me, this is very, very, very bad. Then you can swim really, really, really so. You can swim really away. Yeah. Uh, so yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Be ready for part 2. Bye. I think.